like to play first again. And this hand is good. Not good, but okay. We got a lot of mana. And, well, some high drops, but hopefully we're gonna draw something which doesn't require that much mana. Or just draw some more mana. That's also good. Okay. I don't like that to happen. And even more mana. So we can play Golden Artisan with our hand here. Playing Sparrow, huh? Ah, don't like that to happen, dude. One attacker is enough for you. Okay. That's not bad. It's just blocking the AyKayDrafting and then doing something the next turn. Going down to 0-1 there with a block, because AyKayDrafting usually gets pumped, you know? Sure. Now he's playing Skin Render, huh? No, he's not playing Skin Render. No, sure not, sure not. Oh, just, well, Instant Infection, that's also working. Okay, dude, I just found a solution against the AyKayDrafting stuff. Or actually I didn't, because, well, he goes to 3-3 there. If he gets blocked. And I guess first strike also counts as being blocked, huh? Yep, sure. Do some damage if you can, if you want to. And this can go first strike. Flying, trample, haste, okay. Sure. Sure. I don't care about this contagiousness in him. Okay, the Geth Throne. Oh, that's a fine card. And he's sacrificing it before, sure. Granting me another counter, but, well. We got this stupid mirror removed. And this alone is worth something. And doing some damage, dude. The first strike vigilance combination with a quarter shield is pretty good against Infect. Because it just can't do much there against it. Yeah, well. Skin Render would be pretty bad, but let's hope he doesn't have Skin Render up on his hand. What do you have? Untamed Might, huh? I have to block it anyway. So if he has Untamed Might, he has Untamed Might. Can't do anything about it. No, Grasp of Darkness. Okay. Sure, I get -2 life. Let's see if he deducts the life then. No, okay. Skin Render. Ah, I can't do it. Well, Corpse Skirt getting back AyKayDrafting. Sure dude, sure dude, sure dude. Well, that's okay. Shoo, 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 shoo. If I use it now, draw into a land. This will be good. Then I can re-equip a mirror with the quarter shield. Let's hope I do exactly this. Nah. This just removes the corpse cure thing. But Throne of Geth sacks it anyway before that happens. Guys, it's pretty much down here, huh? Ouchie. Another replica shit. So can't use my evolution reins. Huh. Can't do much. If yeah, I'm dead. If I take over something with evolution reins, he will just kick its ass. If I play the gold martisan, he will kick the gold martisan's ass. If I revoke something, he will proliferate with that. Doing 3 counters next turn, proliferating again with that. I'm dead. Can't do anything about it. Well, it was a good thing. Good game here. And, well, guys, it was a nice draft. Thanks for watching. AyKayDrafting.blogspot.com, and see you next year. Wish you a happy New Year's Eve, and don't drink too much. Come back to AyKayDrafting.blogspot.com. See you 2011. Yours, AK.